Video I am going to demonstrate the training part. So I already have created a project, the domestic power consumption. So click on that, and then we have a dashboard which displays all the capture data and how many queries we have created, pipelines, etc. So the first step is to prepare the data. If you go to the prepare data, so we can actually create query to train the data. So query is actually the data source for the training model. So I already have created one query with name, query for states, and all our other things are the default thing. One thing in the query filter, I specified which class we want to pass on to the model. So we have this image which shows like how many segments each class has. And then go to the build model, and in build model we can create a pipeline, which I have already created, pipeline 1, and then we can select the query which we already have created, and the segmenter is windowing, which is the only one option, and 24 is the window size, which is actually 4 seconds of data, because each second we have 6 samples, because sample rate is 6. So 24 window size means we will be sampling the data for inferencing at least like 4 seconds of data. And I have chosen the optimization metric as accuracy, and the classifier size is the default, that is the maximum classifier size, so that is okay. So when we are okay, then we can go ahead to the optimize. So once we click on the optimized thing, it will start creating the model. So actually I already have created this model, so I'm going to stop this. And then we can go to the explore model, where we can see the model things like what is the confusion matrix, what is the feature summary, what are the model summary, and what are the pipeline summary. So for my purpose, actually I have chosen the pipeline 1 rank 4, because this model actually performed really good on the data, and also it has chosen the 2 feature actually instead of feature 1, only 1 feature in the rank 1, and it worked quite good. And then we can go to the test model, where we can actually choose one of the data. So this data actually I have not trained on, so I can choose this and then do the compute accuracy, so I can see like how well the trained model perform on the test data. So this can give some kind of like benchmark, or we can test whether our training is okay, otherwise we have to retrain the model. So once the inferencing is done on the test data, we have this result already here, and we can click on the compute summary to see the what were. So it is actually 100% accurate in this case, so our model is doing good. And then we can go to the download model, and in download model actually, since I am using quick feather board, so I will choose that quick feather, and then the latest platform, and all are default, but the format should be the library, since we will be building the model with already existing application. So, and the application does many other things. So once we are done with the selection, then we can actually download the model. So that's it. Thanks for watching.